If you are a SolidWorks desktop user, you already know how powerful the tool is. Today, we will take a quick look at how our cloud capabilities will work along with our desktop SolidWorks to improve collaboration, data access, and overall productivity. What if I tell you that your SolidWorks license actually comes with a set of secret tools that you haven't even turned on yet? Hi, this is Shravani Aniseti, working as online support associate at Conceptia Konnect, authorized reseller at Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Today, we are exploring collaborative designer for SolidWorks, the bridge between your familiar desktop SolidWorks and 3D Experience platform. Now, let's deep dive into 3D Experience platform and explore roles and features it offers. What exactly are these US roles or cloud capabilities? US are cloud-based roles in 3D Experience platform included with your SolidWorks desktop under subscription. They empower SolidWorks by adding cloud storage, collaboration, file sharing, and design review. 3D Swimmer. Team collaboration brings design team into a single collaborative space, enabling the seamless communication and engagement. Collaborative Industry Innovator, mainly responsible for the data management in 3D Experience platform. Collaborative Designer for SolidWorks. It brings cloud-based data management directly into the SolidWorks. With 3D Experience platform, organizations can utilize the capabilities of cloud data management integrated with their favorite desktop SolidWorks. Store design data securely to the cloud, manage revisions and lifecycle states, create project-based communities, control access and permissions to the design team, save SolidWorks parts, assemblies, drawings to the 3D Experience cloud. And the best part is, no change to the existing SolidWorks workflow. Whether you're in manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, industrial equipment, or engineering services, 3D Experience platform provides your common digital workplace, everyone included in product development process. For example, in manufacturing-driven organization, it helps bridge the gap between design and production departments by providing controlled access to released and validated design data. At Conceptia Konnect, we focus on helping customers to obtain their maximum value to their SolidWorks investment by adopting right tools at the right time. Contact us today to begin your 3D Experience implementation journey and transform the scattered information to connected, efficient way of working across your entire organization.